Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the prospects of unvaccinated travelers traveling to Thailand. I've had a lot of questions on this over the past few months. What are the current protocols for the unvaccinated? Well, they're basically the same as for vaccinated folks, at least as of the time of this video. Everyone is undergoing a 2-week quarantine when coming into Thailand. Now, what is the situation for into the future? I've had a lot of people asking me this. I thought that this article from the Bangkok Post, it's Bangkok Post print edition from Saturday, May 8th, 2021. Article is titled Phuket to Reopen as Planned. And I thought that this particular excerpt was really notable. Quoting directly, the fourth and final phase, due to begin on January 1 next year, will allow any foreign tourists certified to have been fully vaccinated to be allowed to enter Thailand and freely travel around. So January 1 is prospectively when we're going to see unfettered travel access for the vaccinated, but it doesn't say anything about the unvaccinated. I don't know exactly what they're going to do with those folks. In a year, for example, next May 2022, presumably vaccination here in Thailand will have reached a very high level of the overall population. I don't know if I would think, and in fact, candidly, I would hope that most, if not all of these restrictions just come off because it's no longer an issue. But again, that remains to be seen, and it's definitely not a good idea to speculate about any of that. On my part, at least, we've tried to speculate and predict what things are going to happen. It's not a good idea, or at least it hasn't been for me. Now, I can kind of surmise, and I try to do videos to provide information and then sort of my inferences. My personal opinion is nothing lasts forever. The situation regarding vaccinations and regarding all the travel restrictions, I can't imagine could last forever. At the same time, just as a for example, you could say, well, nothing lasts forever. Well, communism in the Soviet Union didn't last forever, but it lasted 70 years. So exactly how long between zero and forever are you going to look at for something to go away? And I'm not equating these rules with Soviet communism. I'm just saying, there are systems in this world, there are protocols that come into place, and it's difficult to predict if or when they will ever go away. And in some cases, they do go away. In fact, in a lot of times, I see the way things evolve, and you do see some of the more stringent rules. Eventually, it just is deemed that the cost benefit, it's not really worth it anymore. So depending on the circumstances, I could see unvaccinated travelers having fairly unfettered access to Thailand possibly sometime next year. At the same time, I could also see the situation being that those restrictions remain for some time to come. Difficult to predict. We will certainly keep people updated on this channel as the situation evolves.